Welcome to your biology class. Let us begin with the first chapter. The name of the first chapter is Protectors of Biosphere. Before we get into this chapter, what is biosphere? Already you have learned in 8th standard, the place we live, or it is the part of the earth where life exists. ഭൂമിയിൽ ജീവനുള്ള ഭാഗത്തിനാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? ബയോസ്ഫിയർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. You can see a poster here. One side of the earth is green and the other side of the earth is barren. This poster is designed by Sangeet for a poster designing competition based on the message Save Earth from Global Warming. What inference can you formulate from this poster? It is indicating global warming. What is global warming? Have you heard about global warming? The main causes of global warming is greenhouse gases, air pollutants and carbon dioxide. These pollutants act as a shield around the earth and prevent the escape of heat from earth to space. This leads to the rise in earth's temperature and gradually leads to global warming. അപ്പോൾ ഈ പറഞ്ഞ പൊള്യൂട്ടൻസ് ഒക്കെ ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ തങ്ങി നിൽക്കുന്ന ഒരു ഗ്രീൻ ഹൗസ് എഫക്റ്റ് പോലെ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. അതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറഞ്ഞത്? ഗ്ലോബൽ വാർമിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ അത് എന്ത് കൂട്ടുന്ന പറഞ്ഞത്? നമ്മുടെ ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ കൂട്ടുന്നുണ്ട്. ഗ്ലോബൽ വാർമിംഗ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ ഡേഞ്ചറസ് ഫിനോമിനൻ ദാറ്റ് ലീഡ്സ് ടു ദ റൈസ് ഇൻ എർത്ത്സ് ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ. അപ്പോൾ എർത്തിന്റെ ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ കൂട്ടുക, അതാണ് എന്തെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത്? ഗ്ലോബൽ വാർമിംഗ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത്. The main reason for global warming is the increase in the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. From this poster, very clear that plants are the protectors of earth. We have to protect the earth only by growing plants. How do plants prevent global warming? In the illustration, you can see in the atmosphere, carbon dioxide is present. Carbon dioxide is absorbed by the plants, and utilizing this carbon dioxide, plants synthesize glucose. During the synthesis of glucose, plant release oxygen to the atmosphere. This oxygen utilized by animals for respiration. During respiration, energy is released along with the carbon dioxide also released to the atmosphere. During respiration, energy is released along with the carbon dioxide also released to the atmosphere. This is a cyclic process. Through this cyclic process, plant prevents global warming. Why doesn't the level of oxygen in the atmosphere decrease? Plants continuously produce oxygen, so the level of oxygen doesn't decrease. Next one, why doesn't the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere increase? Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, so the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere doesn't increase. Which process in plants regulate the level of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere? That process is called photosynthesis. Then list out the factors other than carbon dioxide that are required for photosynthesis. What are the factors required for photosynthesis? Minerals and salt, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. These are the other factors. Minerals and salt, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Where do plants acquire these factors? Sunlight from sun, minerals and salt and water from soil. Why is the upper part of the leaf greener than lower part? What is the reason behind the color difference? The upper part of the leaf is more greener than lower part of the leaf. Upper dark green and lower light green. More chloroplasts are seen in the upper part of the leaf. Less chloroplasts are seen in the lower part of the leaf. Chlorophyll imparts green color to the plants. Chlorophyll present in chloroplast. More chloroplasts are seen in the upper part of the leaf and less chloroplasts are seen in the lower part of the leaf. Observe the section of a leaf through microscope. Here you can see the section of a leaf. The upper part is called epidermis. This one is called epidermis. In this cell you can see the chloroplast. This is the vascular tissue. Vascular tissue means xylem and phloem. Here stomata is present. Okay, this one is the stomata. Here you can see the plant cell. Here you can see the chloroplast, the structure of chloroplast. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. The chlorophyll absorb light energy. This cell is called epidermis. Here you can see the mesophyll cells. In that you can see the chloroplast. Chloroplast contains chlorophyll. Here you can see the vascular tissues. Vascular tissues means xylem and phloem. And this one stomata, two guard cells. ഇതിനുള്ളിലൂടെയാണ് കാർബൺ ഡൈ ഓക്സൈഡ് അകത്തേക്ക് കിടക്കുന്നത്. ഇത് ഓപ്പൺ ആൻഡ് ഇത് ക്ലോസും ഓപ്പണും ചെയ്യുന്ന കാണാൻ പറ്റും. ക്ലോറോപ്ലാസ്റ്റിൽ വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് ഫോട്ടോസിന്തസിസ് നടക്കുന്നത്. ഇൻ ദ ക്ലോറോപ്ലാസ്റ്റ് ഫോട്ടോസിന്തസിസ് ഈസ് ടേക്കിംഗ് പ്ലേസ്. Chlorophyll is a green pigment found in the chloroplast present in the cells of the leaves. The chloroplast absorb and store the energy from light. CO2 and water are the raw materials of photosynthesis. Plant absorb carbon dioxide from the air. Carbon dioxide enters plants through the pores called stomata present on the surface of the leaves. Structure of chloroplast. It is oval, found within the mesophyll of the plant cells. Mesophyll of the plant cells. Oval shaped structure. Double membrane. It's the outer membrane, inner membrane, inner membrane. The fluid part of the chloroplast is filled with a fluid that is called as stroma. Inner part of the chloroplast that is filled with a fluid that is called stroma. Many disc shaped things arranged one on the top of the other. These disc shaped structures are called thylakoid. These disc shaped structures are known as thylakoid. They are arranged one of the top of the other. They are known as grana. Double membrane, its outer membrane and inner membrane. Fluid part of the chloroplast that is called stroma. Many disc shaped things are arranged here that is called thylakoid. That are arranged one of the top of the other are known as grana. Double membrane structure, stroma, fluid part of the chloroplast, pack of that membranous sac that is called grana. In which part of the chloroplast chlorophyll is present? Chlorophyll is present in the grana of the chloroplast. Chlorophyll is a pigment which imparts green color to the leaf and other plant parts. Like chlorophyll, other pigments are also present in the chloroplast. They are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotene and xanthophyll. Carotene and xanthophyll. Photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast. It occurs not only in leaves but in regions where chloroplast is present. Pigments that absorb sunlight are found in the grana of chloroplast. This grana of chloroplast. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotene and xanthophyll are the pigments present in the grana. All these pigments can absorb sunlight. Only chlorophyll A can participate directly to the photosynthesis. Only chlorophyll A can participate in photosynthesis. All other pigments absorb light and transfer to chlorophyll A. So chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotene and xanthophyll absorb sunlight and transfer to chlorophyll A, and they are called accessory pigments. Parts of chloroplast: grana, stroma, outer double membrane. Pigments in chloroplast. Pigments in chloroplast: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotene and xanthophyll. Role of pigments in photosynthesis: chlorophyll B, carotene and xanthophyll absorbs light and transfer to chlorophyll A, and it is called accessory pigments. Along with the carbon dioxide, water should also reach the leaves for photosynthesis. How do they reach? the leaves. Complete the worksheet. Path of carbon dioxide to the leaves. Atmosphere, stomata, inside the leaves. Path of water to leaves, soil, from soil, root, and here xylem. Okay. Chloroplast structure കാണാം. The fluid part is called stroma, and this disc shaped structure is called thylakoid, and is arranged like this, that is called grana. In this disc shaped structure, chlorophyll is present.